The idea of this converter is that you have a wide selection of automotive aftermarket tachometers and you can connect any of those into your small engine. In this case it's an outboard, but it could be an ATV or motorcycle or pretty much anything. The only limitation is that you need 12-volt power source. This is now version 2 of the tachometer converter of the do-it-yourself model. It has the same color coding on the wires. The red wire is going to battery positive, the black one is going to battery negative, the yellow one is going to magneto output, and the blue wire is going to the tachometer input, signal input. If we take the casing apart, we can see that it's not intended that much as a do-it-yourself project. The electronics is much more complicated, so this is now for sale on eBay, for example. I put a link in the video description. This one also has the possibility to divide the magneto output pulse by 2, which might be useful in some cases. To find the correct wires to connect the tachometer to the magneto is not always that easy. This one has an indicator LED and you can use that to find the correct wires. Connect the black ground wire to the ground and then use the yellow wire to find the pulse from the magneto. When you have found the correct wire, the LED starts blinking. When you have found the correct output wire from the magneto, the next step is to connect the blue wire to the signal input of your tachometer, and then the red wire to the battery positive. And the final step is to adjust the selector switch of your tachometer for correct reading. In case you have trouble finding a clean pulse from the magneto, you can also use the input signal from the ignition coil. For example, here I have stolen the signal from the wire which is going from the ignition box to the ignition coil.